Early Friday morning. What you see here are the trade levels I posted last night in Telegram on the 27th after Globex Open, a bit after 6 p.m. So it's been a while since I made a video. Been really busy making videos. Actually, I'm collaborating with a few companies such as Ninja.co and another TWST and another full automation software. So I've been really busy together, of course, with my Telegram group. So my approach though remains the same. After I post the levels, I draw them on my chart. The blue level is the buy level, the red line is the sell level, the dashed line is the midpoint, and the idea is above that midpoint you want to be long toward the buy level, and below the midpoint you want to be short toward the sell level. And so in the euro, in that upper left, euro, I was actually stopped on the trail. I was short. You see price hitting the sell level. Now coming up. And actually, I mean, if it turns around, I'm going to take another short. But if it breaks through that midpoint over there, I will actually be taking a long toward the buy level above. I am long in the Nasdaq. You see I'm trailing the price. Again, price above the midpoint. I took a long. I am long on S&P, same exact logic. The S&P now is hitting the buy level. So just going to stay in these trades. The way I am taken out of trades, as always, is either on a hard stop if a trade moves against me from the start, or I trail the price. If price goes my way, I trail the price, and this is what you see in the Nasdaq and the S&P. So just going to allow these trades to develop. Let me also mention, by the way, if you're interested in any of the products by Ninja, for example, there is stuff in the description. I have discount codes, and I'm going to be promoting different products by Ninja. I'm going to be making live trading videos with Ninja, and their indicators are going to be in my Zoom room as well, in our live room. So I'm excited. It's a new business partner, new great company. So we'll see what's going to happen. Nasdaq continues to move higher. I'm going to start trailing the stop soon, a bit higher. Just going to kind of try and stay below some major pivots in case there is a major move up. For example, I think beyond the buy level that I posted last night, there was also such numbers as 820, and above that 905. So we'll see just how far they're going to take it. The S&P has 93 up to 98 and 4603. So all this is possible as long as they remain bullish. All right, so the euro is breaking through the dashed line. Again, that's the upper left. So I am going to take a long. Going to take a long in euro. Above the midpoint, it just means they probably want the buy level above. All right, so both the Nasdaq and the euro are arriving at their buy levels, as you can see from the post last night. So now that they've arrived here, now we could have a retracement. We'll be moving my trail stop slightly higher. But I do want, especially the Nasdaq, I want to give it enough room for the trade to breathe. There could be a move potentially quite a bit higher. So again, he was the sell level in the Nasdaq, obviously way below us. So we just kind of center this here. The euro is doing well, arriving right at the buy level. So everything's doing well here. The euro, the Nasdaq, the S&P, everything looking good. So tightening up my stop on the euro, it's breaking through the buy level. It is now retesting it. That's a very common thing, to retest the buy level. So I am gonna tighten my stop a little bit. Now looking back, actually I said it was actually before I was short in the euro as it reached the sell level, but then it broke through to beyond the midpoint, right to the buy. So that's the euro for now. Right, so this is the Nasdaq now breaking through the buy level. So I am tightening up my stop in the Nasdaq as well, and I am still in the S&P. So the S&P is breaking through the buy level. I am tightening up the S&P as well. Now the S&P could actually go today. I mean, I have 46.03, but even 46.13 is not out of the question for today. 46.13 is a level above 03. In between, there is the 93 to 98 area. This would be kind of be the first real test. If they can get through 93 and then 98, then we could go even much higher than that. So I am very bullish in the S&P and the Nasdaq today. The Nasdaq 820, and after that 905. So we'll see how that's going to work out. All right, so big move in the Nasdaq. I am still in the euro. The euro is trying to break through the buy. Well, it did. It broke through the buy level. So those three are bullish, and I'm just hoping I'll be able to continue and trail the price, especially the Nasdaq and the S&P. They could go substantially higher. So this is what you see here on the lower right. This is the Ninja Rev Out Scalper. I'm sorry, Rev Out Scalping. Their indicator, fairly accurate and works well with my levels, because it kind of complements it, you see. So you want to take buys. The Nasdaq is obviously strong, way above the midpoint, above the buy level, very strong. So with this indicator, for example, I would be kind of looking only for long trades. So again, if you want to take a look at it, go to Ninja's YouTube channel. I did make a couple of videos featuring this indicator, both manual trading and automation. Take a look, it's interesting. They have some good stuff. And I am going to be making live videos with their indicators. All right, so all around a great day to finish up. Well, last Friday in July, there was still Monday, the 31st, but yeah, I'm actually been so busy, I actually forgot to request a payout for this account, so I gotta wait for the next date. As I said, it's just been really busy, but it's a good thing. It's a good kind of busy. Again, you can find me on Ninja's YouTube channel, and if you want some discounts, they are in the description. Get in touch with me with any questions you might have. I'm not sure when the next video will be. As I said, just things are a little crazy right now. Whenever I can, I will try to make another video, hopefully soon. I hope everyone is enjoying the summer. Have a great one.